What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today we got the Pixel Buds. I was just talking about them. I was hoping they was gonna come through pretty soon. They finally did. So here they are. Let's get it. Now, if y'all know where I be, I go by the name Wayne Train. My real name is Dwayne Mims. You can search that up at the top. It may be a little bit easier to find your boy if you do it that way. But, you know, we do unboxings, tech reviews, tech talks, all kinds of stuff involving the world of tech. Today we got the Google Pixel Buds, the Buds 2, whatever you want to call them. They're in the building. But if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. Thanks again for any new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. I feel like I got a lot of subscribers like in the last couple of days. So it'll be nice to keep this steady pace going. Trying to keep with the rhythm and keeping the momentum going. So we'll see. But the Pixel Buds are here. I'm not really gonna touch on any of the basic stuff. The setup process and everything, really easy. If you've used any other Google or if you use any other earbuds, like today, these modern earbuds like the Airpods and the Galaxy Buds, setup process is made really easy. Open the case, bam, you're greeted with your prompt to enter the setup process. This also works with other Android phones. It's not just the Google Pixel, so you can download the third-party app from Google, the Pixel Buds app, on other Android phones, and you know, have the same experience as far as just popping that joint open and getting it going. Once they're paired up, you can access the settings for the Pixel Buds through the drop-down menu. So basically what you do, swipe down again. You see your Bluetooth, you can hold, and then up here at connected devices, you see them at the top. Hit your settings, and there you are. You got your Google Assistant settings, which is a whole nother set of settings. Going back to this menu, you got find your device. If you lose one earbud, it just creates a chime noise through the speaker or the driver itself, and let you know where it's at. Not very loud from what I heard. Yeah, just try not to lose them. You got your touch controls, adaptive sound, ear detection, some other settings, but we're gonna get away from that. We're gonna jump really right into the teeth of this thing, the sound quality, the features and all that stuff. So as far as features go, let's start there. So I really do like these things. I don't know how to describe it. It's like it's a good combination with the Pixel devices. I'm starting to really like what I'm seeing here from Google with the Pixel 4. I did step away from it, and I did kind of I won't say bad. I didn't bash them or anything, but I was getting ready to get rid of my Pixel 4 to upgrade to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm so glad that I didn't. I'm gonna start off right off the bat. One of my favorite features using this, let me show you, the Transcribe app. And I'm gonna try to put this to use. So if you go to Google, the Google Translate app. So I got a bud in right now. Basically, this feature existed for a little while. I tried to use it on here, and I feel like it was still in its early stages, but I feel like it's a lot better now. So let me go ahead, turn the volume up so you guys can check this out. All right, about to zoom in a little bit too. Hold up. All right, okay, here we go. So got the bud in, say you at your favorite Mexican restaurant or whatever. everybody speaks English, but you want to fit in. You want to try to learn and pick up a few words. But so you open up the conversation app, right? And what you got to do is you can either touch and hold on the phone. Where's it at? Let me see. Okay. You can either touch and hold here, I believe. Oh no, I think you actually have to do it on the earbud. So here we go. So on the earbud, touch and hold. Hello. Where we at? Hello.
Hola.
Let me see. So basically, it's gonna say it in Spanish, and I believe if it hears Spanish, like after you hold down that side, it'll translate back into English. So
Hola.
it's just kind of like that. This is the middleman right here. The Pixel 4 would be the translator between both languages. So, all right, you go to your favorite Mexican restaurant. You up there? You are. Oh man. Can I get 3 chicken tacos?
¿Puedo conseguir 3 tacos de pollo?
So you throw it out there like that. It's kind of dope. I didn't know all these words were in there. I don't. I thought it was a lot more simple to say, "Can I get 3 chicken tacos?" How about let's try another one? Because those aren't even my favorite. Can I get 3 steak tacos?
¿Puedo obtener 3 tacos de carne?
Okay. I don't know why. I feel like that's a lot of words. I don't know. I gotta ask my girl. She speaks Spanish, so we'll see. But anyway, like I said, I really do like that. The Pixel Buds work really well with Google Assistant. So you just tap and hold on the ear, and you can toggle your Google Assistant. What's the weather? So you tap and hold on the ear, toggles your Google Assistant, ask it a question or whatever you want. It gives you a response. If you didn't want to hear what they're talking about, I believe you double tap to cancel it. So as far as music goes, let's try this. Play some music by Kehlani. Okay. All right, so we got Kehlani popping. Let's see. All right. Now the dope part is, so you got your earbuds in. Oops, I think I paused it. All right. You got your buds in. Let's move this over here. Oops. It's not charging, so just, you got it mounted up on your stand or whatever. And you on the computer, you working and whatnot, so you got your earbuds in, but you just, swipe, next check, go back, do what you got to do. Because of that Project Solely feature. So I like it. I really do like it. So it's a real nice, it feels like you're really using a smart device when you have both of these two things coupled together. Getting back into the music though, part of it, sound quality is a lot better than the predecessors. If you remember, they also really similar in style in terms of how they look. But the sound quality on these weren't terrible, but they definitely left a lot to be desired. I feel like they were just a little bit too low, and the fit really kind of messed with that a little bit, I think, because I don't know, I just did not like how those fit. They kind of hurt your ear. These here, on the other hand, are a lot better. They could be better in terms of the security of the fit, but as of right now, I do believe that they'll be fine. But just be aware if you got them in your ear. Just be aware. That's all you gotta do. So, but as far as sound quality goes, it's a major step up from the predecessor. And as far as compared to the rest of the landscape with the AirPods and the Galaxy Buds. They're right there if you ask me. It's always going to come down to preference, but I think if you had money to spend on either one, I would actually choose between the Galaxy Buds and the Pixel Buds because of what you get as far as features. All three got wireless charging cases, so that's cool. But the AirPods, at least these AirPods, don't feature enough functionality on the bud themselves. You only get like a skip track, and I don't even think you get a pause feature. I can't remember, but you get a lot of features with both of these. You can, and even with the Galaxy Buds, they got like the labs features that are kind of like not, technically official, but a lot of tested stuff. So, and they work really well still. So, but you don't get that much with the Pixel Buds, but you get a lot. You still get all the swipe gestures. You get the tap and hold for the assistant, and all that stuff is great to me. I really like it. That's my Google Pixel Buds. Initial thoughts and opinions. Like I said, I don't really want to go too far in depth. A lot of the other things that you would want to know, battery life and all that stuff, they do advertise 5 hours battery life, 24 hours total use between the case and the buds themselves. So I believe that's pretty good. There's definitely better. My Power Beats get like 9 hours of charge on each bud or on each ear. And I believe the Galaxy Buds are up there as well, but still they're about the same as the AirPods in terms of battery life. So anyway, man, like I said, that's the Pixel Buds. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about these joints, if it's something that you can see yourself rocking, or if you just want to talk about anything else, man, let me know and we can get the conversations going. So it's your man. I'm out.